morning. It's 5:42 in the morning. I was supposed to go to gym, but my personal trainer cancelled. If you guys can see right there. Yeah, so she cancelled. So I think I'm just gonna go back to sleep. It's too early to be doing anything. Also, it's a bit dark because there's no electricity. Like, really? Let's come. Hello. Good evening, yourself.
Why are you kidding?
So, I really don't know what's up with this weather, but I had to go out the house and go buy dog food because I'd actually finished yesterday morning, so she kinda didn't really eat properly at night. But yeah, that's what I was doing. I bought dog food. Obviously, I had to get some Oros and some knickknacks for the day. I'll be probably spending the whole day at home today editing. And yeah, let's just go back home because it's cold. As you can see, I also don't even have a jacket on. In this part of the vlog, I just wanted to go back to a couple of videos that I've made and maybe try and answer one or two of the question that was actually asked of me on those videos. And one of them was the video on the cheapest smartphone in South Africa. This is the Mobicel Rebel in gold. This is a 3.5-inch screen smartphone that I actually reviewed it on the other video. I'm gonna link it down in the description. I'm also gonna put it on the iCard somewhere up here for you guys for you guys to check it out. I'm just actually looking at this light. It actually looks very bright, but we're gonna leave it like that for now. So one of the questions that I actually wanted to answer or to test out is the call quality, which is something that I actually did not do on that video. So I'm gonna try and call someone that I trust in terms of technology, obviously, and I'm going to ask them, and I'm just gonna ask them how the sound actually sounds. I'm gonna ask them how the call sounds, and as well as on my side, I'm gonna give you guys feedback as it how it sounds. I'm actually calling DK. I normally chat to DK. I don't normally call him. My balance is lower than 5 rand. Okay, it's actually connecting. Hopefully he's home and there is no noise where he is. Oh, DK is always in weddings. I don't know. Hey man, what's up? I'm alright. So I'm kind of testing a phone, which are actually saying that I have less than 1 minute. I'm testing that Mobicel Rebel phone, the cheapest smartphone in South Africa. I want you, don't laugh. I wanted to tell me how it sounds. Does it sound good on your side? Okay, so it sounds good, but it sounds like the pitch is high. Oh, it sounds like I'm talking directly into the mic. So then I think that's actually should be a good thing. Although I'm not speaking directly into the mic, but you can hear me properly and I can hear you properly on the side anyway. So loud and clear. All right, so it's a thumbs up from DK. So yeah, thanks for this review. Good feedback from DK. The Mobicel passes the phone call test. The second thing we actually gonna be looking at is the camera that I also checked the other day. This one right here. This is the Wise Cam Pan. This is the camera that actually turns 360 sideways and pans 90 degrees. I'm just gonna go into the application and actually show you guys a couple of things that it actually does. The time lapse that you guys just watched before this segment of the video was also recorded on this camera right behind me. I actually had to go and put it on the roof. I know Spare realized, actually he noticed on Instagram that I actually was doing something funny with the camera. Again, if you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow me over there. Also, give this video a like if you haven't given this video a like and you've been watching this video thus far. It actually helps people find my videos and find the channel in general. And it just shows that you actually like the video and you are watching the video. So give this video a thumbs up and leave some comments down in the comments down below. So I'm inside the app right now. As you guys can see, as I always show you guys, there's the live room. There's living room cam there. You have male bedroom. That's my bedroom's cam. And then you have the kitchen. You have 2 lights that I've actually already added to the app. So if I go to the living room cam, you should be able to actually see me while I shoot this video. So okay, that's me on the side right there. And I have control. Unlike the other cameras that I have around the house, this one you have control. So you can actually rotate 360. If you guys can actually tell, the camera itself right there, it's rotating. So if I move on the other side, as you guys can see, it's rotating and it's showing me actually while I shoot the video. This is actually one of the nice things of the camera. You can actually also set the camera to motion tracking. Motion tracking will follow anyone or anything that moves around the house while the motion tracking is on. And you can also do time lapse, which I already said. The time lapse on this video, the one with the clouds, was done using this camera. And you can actually also, what's actually cool, if you put an SD card inside, you can do what they call view playback. So you can actually go back through time and see what was happening. So if I move it around, that's actually me sleeping most of the day. You guys can see I started sleeping at around maybe 5, I think, until now at 8. So that's me. I wasn't there. So I started sleeping. I was really tired. That was around 5, almost 8. And then you guys can see even earlier on, go back. This is around 2 o'clock. Simon was in the house. I was actually playing game back then. And then you can go down to, this is me after gym. This is me while I was editing the first part of the video. You actually get the picture. So you can actually go back and see what was happening, because I think it actually saves all the footage on the SD card itself. So this is at 4 o'clock at night. This is 3 in the morning. Yeah, so I think you can go back up to 14 days or a week if I'm not mistaken. But this is just some of the feature that guy does, which actually it's just on its own, it's something that you should actually consider getting because of those features that the guy actually has. So this vlog was compiled actually in 2 weeks, as I actually mentioned in the beginning of the first vlog, which I'm also going to link on this video. I was gonna go maybe through a period of 2 weeks during December just to give you guys a little bit of vlogmas. Now this vlog started, I think, on the 6th, and now it's today, and now it's Monday the 16th, which is a public holiday, which I was actually not aware of. And until now, I didn't know what I was going to be calling this vlog, but now I actually have a name. We're gonna call it A Day in a Life, like a day in the life of a YouTuber, or a day in the life, or just a day in my life. The typical day, this is what happens. During the days, I go and do whatever needs to be done, chores or even work. And then when I'm back home around maybe, let's say 12 or even 1, 2, I edit the videos that I actually post on YouTube. Now, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and click the notifications bell button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. I hope you're actually enjoying this festive season and you're doing it responsibly. And yeah, I'm going to catch you guys on my next video. Peace. And I hope you're actually enjoying this festive.